This video guide will help you to get rid of the potentially unwanted program called Macfaster Pro. Macfaster Pro. It's a piece of untrustworthy application. It is presented as a system cleaner and optimizer for Mac operating system. However, the threats and issues it detects are all fake. Most of them are fake and they are really fabricated. The use of non-existent problem detection is intended to trick people into purchasing Macfaster Pro. Furthermore, many people download and install this application unintentionally, and this is the main reason why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted application. So once installed, the program initiates a so-called system scan, and within just a few seconds it finds numerous fake threats. Just for example, we will try to rescan our Mac, and you will notice that within just 2 or 3 seconds it detects 827 issues. Obviously, the decent analysis of the Mac cannot be implemented within such a short period of time. So the only purpose of this program is to force you into buying its so-called licensed version, and basically there is no any big difference between the trial and the full version of this program. I recommend you to get rid of this application, and this is how you can do that. On your Mac, click on Command Option and Escape. This will open 4 quit applications. You will need to find Macfaster Pro and force quit it. After that, you may go to your available Mac applications here and find this program called Macfaster Pro. Right-click on it and move it to the trash. You might need to provide your administrator password to remove it completely. I would also recommend that you initiate thorough cleanup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It could be that because of the installation of Macfaster Pro, your Mac is also contaminated by some other adware type apps. So scanning with Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of these unwanted programs. The program called Combo Cleaner is not a free software, however, it has got some absolutely free features. Disk cleaner, big files, duplicates, these are free features you may enjoy without paying anything. The program will perform free scanning of your Mac when you click on Start Combo Scan button, and at the end of scan you will see the complete report about your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threats found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific threat, how to remove each threat manually. And for free, you may click on this icon that means Show in Finder, and you may click on it, and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right-click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected threat to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.